Okay, so if you're like me, I'm 54. So I have gotten to the age that I love a winged eyeliner. I just can't do it right anymore. Number one, my age, because everything, gravity has taken hold, ladies. But number two, my hooded eyes. I have a lot of hood up there. So every time I put my winged eyeliner on, you just can't see it, or it looks really weird way out here like we used to do it. So I have found a new technique. Hopefully this works. You're going to see it for the first time. I'm not even going to edit this. Here we go. So I'm using a gel eyeliner. Okay. We're only going to take it about a third of the way on top of our um, eyelid. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull this right here. So we're going to do I always go from the bottom up. Okay. So I've only gone a third of the way. That looks even better now than it did before. But let me show you what the technique is. So I'm going to pull just a little bit. And when I do that, we're going to connect the bottom of the eyeliner to the end. We're going to go toward the end of our eyebrow. Just like that. Now, when we open this up, I'm going to put a little just to kind of fill that in. And look at that. Now we have a wing. And it doesn't look really weird out here. We can also take this and just kind of smudge it up a little bit here. And then take it and smudge it down a little bit here. Again, we don't want to do the entire eye with black eyeliner. I'm just taking the harshness out of it. So good. Okay, let me do this other eye, add mascara, and then we'll see what it all comes out to be. Okay, mascara done, wing eyeliner done. What do you think? Yes or no? I haven't worn winged eyeliner in a very long time. So you tell me, I'm undecided. Is this a yes or a no? Let me know.